Can you really get paid by promoting other people's music on TikTok? Stay tuned right to the very end of this video. We're going to walk through a site that you can actually go and get paid to actually use other people's music and get paid. And it could get paid up to $250 per song. So without further ado, let's jump across to the desktop and find out exactly what this is all about and whether it is going to be worth your time. Okay, so as you can see here, it's saying real music promotion, and it's obviously showing TikTok here, video views, and also Spotify. This can be used on Spotify as well as TikTok, but we're going to be concentrating on TikTok today and find out more about that. This is a site called Playlist Push, okay, and it's basically music promotion. So if you obviously have music, you want to get promoted, you can join and promote your music, and you can also sign up as a creator. So if you have a playlist already on Spotify, you can actually sign up for Spotify, and also if you've got followers on TikTok, you could obviously get paid after using sounds. You could then actually get paid after using people's music. So let's dive a little bit more into the actual TikTok side of things and find out exactly how we do that. Now, we all know that TikTok is very, very big at the moment. And if you haven't been on TikTok, obviously music as part of TikTok is what a lot of people do. A lot of people dance and that to music. A lot of people are making videos with music in the background. So this would be that you could actually use new and upcoming artists, use their music, and you would actually get paid. So they would actually want to promote their music. So they would sign up as a music promotion person, and then you says get your music in videos. So that's how it works. So let's find out a little bit more about this. So if we click on the TikTok creators, and as it says here, it says apply now. So we're going to miss this for now, but it says make money by using TikTok sounds. It says get paid for using sounds in your videos. We will pay you to make videos using sounds from our artists. Pick only music that you like and maintain 100% control of your channel. So you don't lose control of the channel or anything like that. And obviously you can obviously play the music that you actually like. But it says here, paid per video. Qualified video creators can earn up to $250 per song review. It also says that they do instant payouts. They pay directly into their bank. They actually use a site called Wise at the moment, which is a good site. I use Wise for some of my payments, and it goes directly straight into your bank. So that is pretty good. Now, this is available across many countries. I'm not saying it's going to be every country, but it is available across many countries when you go and sign up. It says support indie artists, help new and upcoming artists by using their music. Okay, it also says discover new music by independent artists for your playlists. So again, if you had a Spotify playlist, this is where this would come in, and you would actually be able to use this music on your playlists. So it says here, obviously, join our active creator community, become a member of our thriving community of vetted TikTok creators. Now make sure you stay tuned right to the very end, because I've obviously got something I need to tell you about that, because it says vetted TikTok creators. So how it works, obviously you join the network, applications are reviewed by our team for approval. You can browse the available sounds and choose from a variety of sounds and video concepts. You post videos and then you actually get paid. It's as simple as that. So here's a couple of frequently asked questions. How do I sign up? And it says here, you can sign up to TikTok simply by going to the TikTok creator apply. Now, if we did that, click on that, and this actually says at the moment, it says apply as a TikTok creator. Join our playlist push as a TikTok creator. Due to the high volume of signups, we have created a wait list for new creators. Click the button below to sign up and join the waiting list. You can click I understand, and then it just asks you a couple of questions. How many TikTok followers have you got? How many views for each of your videos get? And that is quite relevant. So again, stay tuned right to the very end. So how much do TikTok creators get paid? It says up to $250 per video. And it says, how do you get paid? And it says here that you can choose from to get paid with Vimeo. It says here PayPal or directly to your bank. I think you'll find now that they don't actually do PayPal. And I think Wise is the payment processor they're currently using. It says payments are processed daily. And I think you have to hit a total of $20 before you actually get paid out, which shouldn't be too bad if they're saying you're going to possibly get up to $250 per video. So loads of other different stuff down here if you wanted to check it out. They've got their blog program. They've got a blog for creators here. So this will tell you loads of different stuff. Terms of service, policy, etc. You've got contact as well, the company. They do also do an affiliate program. So you could also just promote the playlist push as well. And it says here you get a trackable link and you get 10% of the campaign of the artist schedules and pays for the campaign. For example, if an artist sets up a campaign of $500 campaign, you will get $50. A discount code that gets the artist 7.5% discount on the campaign and earns you 7.5% of the campaign. For example, $500 campaign, you will get $37.50 and the artist will get $37.50 discount on the campaign. Like I say, what you've got to do is if you are interested in this and you've got a TikTok account, now the only disadvantage at the moment is your TikTok account would have to have a certain amount of views and it would also have to have a certain amount of followers. And that figure currently stands at 30,000 followers. So you would need a fairly big TikTok account before they would obviously entertain this, because obviously you're getting paid. They want to know that you're going to get a certain amount of views on that particular music that you are actually going to pay, that you're actually going to produce in your videos. So I think you have to have at least 2,000 views on every single video. So that could mean that this is going to obviously restrict the amount of people that would obviously be able to take this possibility up. But like I say, if you've got a playlist on Spotify and you've got some followers on there as well, then maybe check out the Spotify way and obviously check that out. That could be a lot lower, that you could get your foot in the door that way. If you've already got 30,000 plus followers on TikTok, there's a possibility that you're probably already earning money from your account. If not, why not? You should be doing that. So this could possibly be just something as an added income stream on top of that, which again at $250 per video could be a nice little monthly earner if you've got a big following. So with that, then obviously check out the playlist push, and if you're interested in making money from your TikTok account. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.